Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the phone number associated with your Gmail account on your PC. This is a new update, so the steps might be slightly different from what you're used to. Knowing the phone number linked to your Gmail is crucial for account recovery and security, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account if you have multiple accounts. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo, or your initial. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Manage Your Google Account. Click on Manage Your Google Account. This will open a new tab or window, taking you to your Google account settings. Now that you're in your Google account, look for a panel on the left side of the screen. In this panel, you'll find several options like Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, Security, and so on. Click on Personal Info. This section contains all your personal information associated with your Google account. In the Personal Info section, scroll down until you find the Contact Info area. Here, you'll see different ways people can contact you, including your email address and phone number. Underneath Phone, you should see your phone number displayed. If a phone number is listed, that's the number associated with your Gmail account. If you want to change or remove the phone number, you can click on it. This will take you to another page where you can update it or remove it altogether. If you don't have a phone number listed and want to add one, there will be an option to add a recovery phone to help keep your account secure. And that's it. You've successfully found the phone number associated with your Gmail account. Knowing how to access this information is essential for keeping your account secure and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.